Hello, and welcome to another day of English 2. I'm your online teacher, Miss Abear. As a reminder, we've been working on a literary analysis unit. This is a coming of age unit from CommonLit, and we have been exploring this essential question of what leads us, or what experiences lead us from childhood into adulthood. And the last time that we met, you guys were finishing up rewriting your introductions and conclusions to this essay prompt, where you were explaining your perspective on what it means to come of age and how we become adults. You were using multiple evidence or evidence from multiple texts, as well as your own experiences to support your argument. So I want you to make sure that you get your notes out, especially those rubrics. I'm going to go back to this for a second. I want you to get those rubrics out so that when you are reading your neighbor's papers today, when you're doing your peer review, you know those correct questions to ask. I want you to get all of your notes that you have used for this entire unit, from the rubrics to those discussion ideas and those questions about that text evidence. Make sure that you have all of that on your desk so that when you are reading your peers' papers, you can have some really solid questions to ask when it comes to asking those questions. And if you remember, the last time we wrote an essay, we reviewed those PQP protocols, which is praise, question, and polish. And I'm going to remind you of those protocols now. So when you're reading and responding to another person's essay, you want to start by praising them. Write down 2 things that you like about the author's work. Was it well written? Was there something memorable? Did the narrative or did the essay inspire you? Next, you want to question. You want to write down 1 question that you have about the essay. Was there something that you didn't understand? Was there something that needed to be further explained? Was there some text evidence that didn't quite connect to their thesis, or maybe it didn't connect to their topic sentence? So just ask that 1 question, and it can be towards 1 specific thing in the essay. Lastly, you want to write down 1 suggestion that you have that could help your partner improve their writing. Remember to be professional and courteous, and we call this polishing. It's kind of that moment where when you finish washing a car, the car looks good, it's clean, but then when you add that wax, it just makes that car shine. You want to help your peers make their essays shine. So you're going to do these protocols with 3 different essays. So all three papers, you want to praise, question, and polish. It should take you the rest of the class period. If it does not, when you get your paper back with the peer review from 3 different people, go ahead and start the revision process, because that's what we're going to do next time. So today, praise, question, polish, and then tomorrow we will finish revising our essays. Until then, happy reading and happy writing.